If you're looking to create a professional-looking WordPress website in 15 minutes or less, then this video is perfect for you. I'm going to walk you through how to build an impressive website in just a few simple steps. It's honestly very easy and budget-friendly. I truly believe anyone can do it. Now, you might be wondering, anyone can do it, but I don't know how to code. How am I supposed to build a website? Well, with WordPress, coding isn't necessary at all. Everything is done using drag-and-drop tools, making the process super straightforward. I promise that after watching this video, you'll be able to create your own website with ease. So let's dive in. Step 1. Sign up for InfinityFree hosting. Navigating to InfinityFree website. First things first, let's get you set up with free hosting on InfinityFree. Open up your browser and head over to www.infinityfree.net. Once you're on the website, if you already have an account, simply click on Login and enter your credentials. Don't have an account yet? No problem. Just click on Register to sign up. You can quickly create an account using your Gmail. Just fill in your details, set a password, and you're good to go. Then click Sign Up. Confirm your email and complete the required details. Check your inbox for the verification email. Click the verification link to activate your account. After registering, you'll be taken to your hosting control panel, known as cPanel, where you'll manage your website. This is the back end of your site where all the magic happens. Step 2. Create your free hosting account. Let's create your website. Under the Account Settings section, click on Create a New Account. Select the free plan on InfinityFree with just one click. You'll need to choose a subdomain for your site or use a custom domain later. Let's choose a subdomain for now. Here, you can pick your own subdomain, like myawesomewebsite.infinityfreeapp.com or myblogsite.infinityfreeapp.com. Just make sure it's something memorable. Choose a domain name and click Check Availability. Once you've selected your subdomain, hit Create Account. Create Account. InfinityFree will now set up your hosting account. It should only take a couple of minutes and you'll be good to go. Step 3. Install WordPress on your website. Now that your account is set up, let's install WordPress. InfinityFree offers a free one-click installer, which makes it super easy. Click on the control panel, read the notice, and click Approve to proceed. On the cPanel dashboard, scroll down to the Softaculous Apps installer. Find and click on WordPress. This will open up the installation page. Click on Install Now. You'll be asked to choose a domain or subdomain. Select the one you just created. You can also choose a directory if you want to place your website in a folder, but for now, we'll leave it empty. Next, you'll need to fill in your WordPress admin details. Create a username, a strong password, and enter your email address. Make sure you save these details because you'll need them later to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once everything's filled out, click Install. WordPress will now be installed automatically, and you'll have access to your new website in just a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, you'll get a link to your new website, as well as your admin login details. As you can see, our website is not secure because it lacks an SSL certificate, which means the connection between your browser and the site isn't encrypted. This can expose sensitive information, making it easier for attackers to intercept data. Go ahead and log into your WordPress dashboard. Now the fun begins. The WordPress dashboard is where you can manage everything on your site, from content to design to settings. Step 4. Creating an SSL certificate. Now that your website is set up, let's secure it with an SSL certificate. This will encrypt data and display the secure padlock in the browser. To fix this, redirect all HTTP traffic to HTTPS, ensuring your site is secure and your visitors' data is protected. Now, head over to your Infinity dashboard. SSL certificate. As you can see, I've already created an SSL certificate for another website. To create one for our site, just click on New SSL Certificate. You'll then see a field where you need to copy your domain name and paste it there. Make sure to only include the domain name without any extra marks or spaces. Once that's done, click Create Order. Next, read the green confirmation message and wait for a bit. After that, come back here and click Set up CNAME Records. Again, wait for a moment, and once it's ready, refresh the page. You should now see the Request Certificate button appear. Go ahead and click on it. After waiting a few minutes, refresh the page again, and you'll see a green Active message. Now, let's go ahead and click on the SSL Certificate option. Once you're in, click on the Manage button next to your domain name. You should now see a button labeled Install Records Automatically. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll see a green confirmation message telling you to wait for a little while. This means the installation process has started. Once the SSL certificate is installed, you can visit your website. You might notice that the HTTPS prefix and the padlock symbol are still missing from your domain, but don't worry, that's completely okay for now. This is because we still need to set up a redirect to ensure that all traffic is securely directed to the HTTPS version of your site. Step 5. Install Redirect to SSL plugin. Now that your SSL certificate is set up, let's ensure your WordPress site always uses HTTPS. To do this, go to your InfinityFree dashboard and log into the control panel for your hosting account. Find the link to your WordPress admin dashboard and click it. This will open your WordPress admin area. From there, go to Plugins, Add New, search for Really Simple SSL, install it, and then activate the plugin. Once activated, the plugin will automatically redirect all your traffic to HTTPS. And that's it. Your SSL certificate is successfully installed, and your site is now fully secure. You'll see the padlock icon and // in the address bar, meaning your visitors' data is protected. You're all set. Your website is now more secure and trustworthy. Congratulations on completing this step. Step 6. Customizing your website with Astra theme. Now that your website is secure, it's time to make it look great. For this, we'll use the Astra theme, a fast, lightweight, and customizable WordPress theme. First, Go to your WordPress admin dashboard. On the left menu, click on Appearance and then Themes. In the search bar, type Astra and press Enter. 4. Once you find the Astra theme, click Install and then Activate. Great, now Astra is active on your site. Install Starter Templates. Next, let's install the Starter Templates plugin to quickly import a full website design. Choose Elementor as your page builder. You'll see different page builders. Now, browse the available templates and pick one that fits your style. Click on the template, then click Import Complete Site or Import Single Page, depending on your needs. Wait a few moments while the site imports. Now it's time to customize your website. Select the perfect colors, choose your fonts, and upload your logo to match your brand identity. Once everything looks just right, click Continue to proceed. Next, we'll select the features that best suit your needs. These options enhance your site's functionality and give you more control over your design. Once you've made your choices, simply click Continue. Complete the setup by filling in your information. This ensures your website is personalized and ready to go. And just like that, your website is complete. With just a few easy steps, you've transformed your site into a beautiful professional design. Then click View Your Site to see the results. Now, you can see your beautifully designed website taking shape. The foundation is set, and all that's left is to make it truly yours. Start by updating the information to match your brand. Simply edit the text, adjust the content, and ensure everything reflects your business or personal style. Go to Pages or Posts and select the page you want to edit. Click Edit with Elementor to open the Elementor editor. Next, customize the pages to align with your vision. Rearrange sections, modify layouts, and fine-tune the details to create a seamless user experience. Don't forget the buttons. They play a crucial role in guiding visitors through your site. Adjust their colors, text, and links to ensure they stand out and lead to the right destinations. Elementor's drag-and-drop editor lets you change text, images, and layouts easily. Let's update the image to match your brand. Simply click on the pencil icon or select the image, and you'll see all the options appear in the left panel. From there, click Change Image. You can either choose one from your media library or upload a new one from your computer. Next, let's customize the text, lines, titles, and icons. With the drag-and-drop editor, you can easily move elements around, adjust the layout, and fine-tune every detail to create the perfect look for your site. Take your time to experiment with different styles until everything aligns with your vision. Once you're happy with your changes, click Update to save. Your site will be uniquely yours, reflecting your brand with a polished, professional design. Finally, integrate your social media profiles. Adding social media links to your website is simple and helps connect your audience to your online presence. First, select the section where you want to add social media icons. If your template already has social icons, click on them to edit. If not, drag a social icons widget into your desired location. Once selected, go to the left panel where you'll see customization options. You can also customize the icons to match your brand. Adjust the size, spacing, colors, and even choose different styles to make them stand out. Here, you can add links to your social media profiles like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Simply click on each icon, enter your profile URL, and save the changes. Add your links, customize the icons, and make sure they connect your audience to your online presence effortlessly. And save the changes. Everything we've customized so far, images, text, buttons, icons, and social media links can be adjusted on any part of your website. The same simple steps apply to every section. If you want to change an image, just click on it and replace it. To update text, select it and type in your content. Buttons, colors, and layouts can all be modified using the drag-and-drop editor. Take full control of your site's design by exploring the customization options. Whether it's the header, footer, or any section in between, you can personalize every detail to match your brand and vision. Before we wrap up, I highly recommend adding important pages like your privacy policy, terms and conditions, and contact page to ensure your website is complete and professional. These pages are crucial for both user trust and legal compliance. Additionally, consider installing helpful plugins like SEO tools, contact forms, and backup plugins to enhance your site's functionality and security. Once all that's in place, you'll have a fully optimized website ready for visitors. And just like that, your website is polished, professional, and ready to go live. It's now a perfect reflection of your brand, built with precision and creativity. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're excited to see your site come to life.